Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following our Home Edition series, you know we've been making great progress. Today we're moving on to the next step of the project. We're excited to move forward with our project. After successfully obtaining all the necessary permits, we're finally ready to relocate the electrical meter. Step 3, electrical meter relocation. In this phase, the utility team from Arlington County will be coming by to assist us. First, they will safely disconnect the old electrical meter from its current location. This is an important step to ensure that we can proceed without any interruptions to the power supply. Once the old meter is disconnected, the team will relocate it to a temporary spot. This allows us to continue with our renovations and prepares us for the final installation of the new electrical system. That wraps up Step 3, electrical meter relocation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next step in our project journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in Step 4. We'll begin laying the foundation,